Hey guys, I just wanted to go over our product of the month. It's vitamin D. If I had to recommend one supplement for everybody to take, it would be vitamin D. It's extremely important for almost all the functions in the body. We know from studies that when people are deficient in vitamin D, it's linked with all-cause mortality, which means that people who are deficient, they die more from all causes. Specifically cancer and cardiovascular disease. They've really linked it with that. And one of the main reasons is because it acts like a hormone in the body in that it regulates so many different functions. Big one is bone density. It regulates calcium and phosphorus levels in the body. So very, very important for bone density. So especially if you're older, you want to be having sufficient levels of vitamin D. It's also extremely important for the immune system. Studies have shown that when people are deficient in vitamin D and their levels are raised up to the proper levels, they are half as likely to develop respiratory infections. And because of that, they've been looking at this with coronavirus. And a big study just came out in February that shows that if people are deficient in vitamin D, they are 14 times more likely to develop serious symptoms from coronavirus. Some of the numbers that are pretty crazy are that we know that over 40% of the population is deficient. I would think it's more than that because they use very low levels as their baseline. So that's a higher number actually. And then as your skin tone gets darker, your skin complexion gets darker, that number goes up a lot. So in the African American community, over 82% are deficient in vitamin D. So it's essential if you have a darker complexion to supplement with vitamin D. Because we're not getting enough sunlight, and we're not getting it in our diets. So supplementation is the way to do it. And this product is very, very good. It has a high bioavailability, which means that more of this is absorbed in your body than other supplements. So it's very, very important to get a high quality supplement like we have in the office.